Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at 3 Kensington Crescent located in Kingston, where I'll be conducting an exclusive virtual tour of these new modern penthouses. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So these luxury penthouses are on the market for $450 US. Here in the kitchen we have Korean countertops and additionally backdrops with earth tone colors. Now we also have porcelain tiles right throughout the homes. I actually noticed that the cabinets were white, and I really do love white cabinets, although I am a big fan of dark cabinets, but I still opened up the cabinets so that you guys could see just how much storage was available in your kitchen area. Next, I'm going to zoom in on the backdrop so that you can see the gradients and the tones and all of the color contrasts that were in the kitchen backdrop. I think it was a really nice touch given the color scheme of the entire home. The countertops were designed so uniquely that cooking and dining can take place. Next, I took a look at the pantry. So you do get a pantry with this unit, which I really love because not a lot of homes take time out to give you a pantry, and it's a pretty large pantry at that. You get sliding doors, which makes it very easy to access your food, and right beside your pantry you have your laundry area with a washing tub and also fixtures available for you to install your washing machine. Here I'm going to take a closer look at the washing area so that you can see we have plugs and water heating systems available, so it's a very easy installation for your appliances. Here is your living room area, and that is your balcony, which I'll show you in a bit, and that is something that you will not be short of in this home because every single bedroom will indeed have a balcony. Next, we're going to step out on the living room balcony where you can catch a view of Kingston. In the distance, I saw one of my first properties, which was the Lofts by Audrey Wong. He was the real estate agent, and it was a very nostalgic moment for me and it made me smile. Here are some additional views of Kingston, and you can get all of this just by looking through your living room balcony. Next, let's take a look at the guest bathroom, which is on the lowest level. It's really a powder room because there's no shower, so you have a toilet and a sink, and you can install a mirror if you wish. Here we have bedroom number 1, and like I said, nothing short of balconies. You have your own personal balcony, your own bathroom, and your own closet. Along with all of these cool features, the unit comes with air conditioning throughout the entire home, so you will stay cool while catching a view of the warm, sunny Kingston area. Let's take a look at that closet that you will be getting. Now, if it was me, I would definitely use this as the guest bedroom as it's on the lowest level, and so you want your guests to be inconvenienced. And the bathroom is also really cute. So like I said, your mirror is installed, you have a walk-in shower, you have your sink, and you have storage underneath. Now please bear in mind, ladies and gentlemen, that this property is still under active construction, so if you notice that there are a few finishing touches in the video that are missing, just bear that in mind. In the living room area, right beside your staircase, you will have high-rise ceilings and windows. I think this really opened up the space and it lets a lot of natural light in. You have wooden steps, which I think were uniquely designed because, as you can see, they are somewhat of floating steps, and it brings you up to your second and your third bedroom. Now, very important note, this complex will have generator services for every single apartment and not just for the main facilities on the property. So worst case scenario, there is a power outage, you do not have to worry about having electricity. This little corner here, I found it very unique because it could easily be a reading corner, or you can hang some nice art. Let's take a look at bedroom number 2. Now, it's equally large, just like bedroom number 1. Like I promised, you do have your own balcony, lots of views of Kingston. Again, you have your own bathroom and your own closet. Now, this room is your master bedroom where you have double the closet space and double the bathroom space. Again, consistent with the balcony area, which I really love because it gives a private experience whenever you're viewing Kingston. You have your electrical sockets ready for you to use. Here is your closet space, which I had mentioned. So again, it's double the closet space, which I really loved. Let's step into the bathroom area where you can take a glimpse. So it's a lot bigger than the other bathrooms. You have a walk-in shower with glass doors, you have a double vanity sink area, and you also have storage underneath. By the way, guys, if you are loving the video, please consider subscribing. I want to thank everyone that subscribed so far. We're at 1,000 subscribers and I couldn't be more grateful. Now, because this is a luxury apartment complex, you have the convenience of not having to go downstairs and taking out your trash. So in your hallway, you will find a garbage chute, which I'm going to be showing you shortly, and that is it on your right hand side. So you simply turn the knob and dispose of your garbage. How convenient is that? Next, I'm going to be showing you a second penthouse, which is actually a bonus part for this video. So if you're willing to increase your budget by just a little bit, feel free to reach out to Miss Audrey Wong. This one is a lot different than the other one in terms of design and color scheme. Here we have our pantry area, and then next I'll be showing you the laundry area as well. Now, because you are on this side of the building, you will have the privilege of catching that beautiful Kingston sunset. So this is your living room area, that's your balcony on the left, and those are your stairs to take you upstairs. As you can see, completely different backdrop than the previous penthouse. I'm going to step out on the balcony so that you can catch a view of what I was seeing when I went to do the tour. Here is the NCB building, so if you're lucky enough, you can definitely catch Mr. Lee Chin landing on his helicopter. Now let's talk about statement pieces that will turn your guest's eye. Look at that chandelier. It was truly breathtaking, and I can only imagine what it looks like at night. Here's your guest bathroom, which again is on the lowest level. It's really a powder room if you think about it, because you have your sink and your toilet. Bedroom number 1 is also on the lowest level. Similar setup like the previous penthouse. You have your own bathrooms, own closet, and your own balcony space. And this penthouse also promises balconies for each and every single bedroom. Here is a close-up of your closet area, and then I'm going to be showing you the bathroom area so that you can really see what you're working with if you decide to purchase this specific penthouse. Now, this property comes with 24/7 security along with CCTV footage, and in addition to that, you need not to worry about having to climb a bunch of stairs because you are gifted with elevator access with your purchase. We're going to head on upstairs, where I'm going to be showing you the additional 2 bedrooms as well as the views that come with this side of the property. I think this side is a little bit better if you ask me, because like I said, this side definitely catches that beautiful Kingston sunset. And again, guys, if you're loving the unit, please consider contacting the real estate agent. I have left her number and her social media handles below. Here we have bedroom number 2, which is upstairs, and here is your master bedroom, where it's similar to the first penthouse because you get double the closet space, but instead this closet is triple the closet space, and I'm going to be showing you why I say that in a short moment. So there's 2 areas here. The one on the left can be used as a closet space, and the one on the right can be a walk-in closet. So jokes aside, I would definitely have his closet on the left and my closet on the right. But look at how large the second room is. It's literally screaming to be transformed into the ultimate dream walk-in closet, and I would do just that with the space. Here's what the perimeter is looking like. So I'm showing you the floor plan because the walls are a bit bright, so you might not quite understand just how large this room is. Here is your bathroom area, where again you have double vanity, storage underneath, and also a walk-in shower. I really love the unique design of this property, especially this specific penthouse, where I saw some lighting fixtures that I thought were very cute, very subtle, and I had to go and return to take a look at that chandelier up close and personal, because like I said, it was really eye-catching. It grabbed my attention and I couldn't stop imagining what it would look like in the nighttime. So now that we've finished with both penthouses, let's head upstairs, where I'm going to be showing you 4 areas, starting with the pool area. So guys, the best part about living in a high-rise building is that you're so far up that you do not miss the breeze. As I entered the deck or the pool area, the first thing that greeted me was some cool, fresh air. I stayed up here for a short while just to clear my mind and get some additional footage, but this is what the space is looking like. It's pretty large. You can definitely entertain over and over up here. You have several seating areas, several small tables, and a massive pool. Again, please remember that the complex is under active construction, so unfortunately there was no water in the pool, which I'm really sorry about because I know you guys would have loved to see that. However, just looking at these clouds with their silver lining, I could truly picture myself living here. It was very cool, very relaxing, and it offered a lot of peace of mind. I'm just going to be walking around the perimeter of the pool. So like I said, there'll be water filled right up to the glass, and then on the left of the pool will be your deck area, where once you take that left, you can sit upstairs, have some drinks, and have a good time. Now on the right of this video will be a door where you can get your elevator access, but at the front is actually going to be your games room. Now right as I turn around, you will see the stair area for the deck, which I mentioned earlier, and I'm going to go upstairs and show you what the deck looks like. Now once you step up to your deck, there are going to be several benches that you can sit under the shade, and then when you're done, possibly step into the pool and get refreshed. After the balcony area, next I'm going to show you the gym. It's actually fully equipped, which I really liked, because some complexes, even though they have gyms, they barely have any equipment. However, with this particular gym, there is enough equipment to get a full workout. Here we have our disposal area, and then on the other side of the balcony upstairs, you have an even larger deck area for you to entertain. You can definitely host a family event up here, or just a meeting, anything you really truly desire. And on this corner here, I assume that there will be kitchen appliances, because I did see some pipe fixtures and stuff like they were going to install a small kitchen area. You also have two areas where there are a bit of a sunroof, if you want to call it that, and then again even more views. I did go back downstairs because I wanted to catch the parking area to show you where you will be parking. There's also underground parking on this complex, so this is not entirely all of the parking space that you will have access to. Here is the exterior of the building. Again, it's located on 3 Kensington Crescent. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know your favorite part of the house tour, and again, all opinions are appreciated. Until the next video, take care and happy holidays.